I just dipped down this gravel road, just a random road. Didn't think much of it, but I was like kind of in the mood for just kind of in the mood for a little bit of gravel. So I was like, let me check this out and see where it goes. And went by a few cabins, and it got worse and worse and worse, and like got narrower. There were fallen trees, but it was just beautiful. And I just wasn't turning around, like I wasn't having it. I needed to see where this road went. I just came to a dead end, and there's a waterfall, just cascading water. It's beautiful, surrounded by these sequoia trees, or I'm not sure if they're sequoias or redwoods, or what they are. And I've never seen anything quite like this, but no exaggeration, there's got to be a million ladybugs flying around in here and just covering the ground. It's so bizarre. I've never seen anything quite like that. So many of them. I pulled into this area and I was like, I didn't even know what it was. I thought they were like, I don't know, they're like flying red things. And then when I saw one up close and realized what it was, it's kind of bizarre. So yeah, I already took the ride in and totally spaced and didn't turn the camera on or anything. I was just like so enthralled with the scenery and everything. So this is just a short random ride video. Maybe I'm gonna start posting these because I keep finding these wild roads that I want to share with you guys, but typically I like to have some kind of a plot to my vlogs, and this is just kind of like just a random find, and I couldn't even tell you where I am. But yeah, I'll show you guys the ride out of here, and you can see what it kind of took to get into this place. It's pretty wild. I realize I'm doing this kind of backwards and showing you the highlight and the end first, but well, why don't I show you guys the ride out, and then I'll show you a little more of this area. Stick around. So that wraps up this video. It was just I just really wanted to show you guys this. It was absolutely breathtaking. I hope you enjoyed seeing a little bit of that ride. Some of this beautiful water I found, these crazy ladybugs everywhere. And it just totally stumbled upon this, just took a random left turn and ended up out here. So cool. Yeah, so just a quick video and not much of a plot to it, but I hope you guys enjoyed that scenery. I know I did. Anyways, if you get something out of this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell if you haven't already. That way you don't miss anything whenever I post something new about motorcycles, camping, travel, and adventure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Ride safe.